Get strong.
The clock alarms and it's another morning. This boy is going to go through his morning routine. Stay with us as usual and have a productive day. Good morning, one and all. This is our early morning routine. Prepare. Next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, go in the bathroom and bathe. July? Next 5 minutes or so, go in the bathroom and bathe. July, wake up. July, wake up. You need to actually go and bathe in the next 5-10 minutes. And our early morning routine continues, whereby preparing something for breakfast. You can see flaking some saltfish to make some saltfish fritters. He's about to entrance the washroom to bed. You know, it's 4:55 a.m. and this is the time he normally gets up to prepare for school. School starts 7:25 thereabout. Please do not waste any time now. Preparation, as we continue this preparation for this breakfast, as you can see in the frying pan, the sizzling saltfish or codfish fritters. He's presently in the washroom or bathroom, as we call it here in Jamaica, preparing himself for school. As I said, he usually gets up like about 4:45 a.m. By 5 a.m. he's in the bathroom bathing. He usually exits the bathroom by about 5:20 a.m. and head downstairs to consume his delicious breakfast that his mommy usually prepares. And what she's doing this morning is preparing fritters. You see they're coming on. Tea coming on and breakfast for that young man before he goes to school. And I can see the water is bubbling up. About to make his favorite peppermint tea. And he finally came down to consume his breakfast. And this is the presentation over here. A cup of his favorite peppermint tea. And he's seeing his grace, blessing the meal. And he's about to devour. He's about to devour. Sometimes he will eat this with bread. I don't know if he's gonna do that. He loves saltfish fritters. In no time this is gonna finish. And by the time he's finished eating this, it's gonna be about maybe 10 minutes time from now. 10 minutes from now rather. He's gonna return upstairs and put on his uniform and head out for school. So that is a short summary of what he does throughout the week in preparation for school. As usual, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and remember we have a business page that sells natural skincare products. Go over there, check out our page at GACARIBLTGLOw.com. Have a wonderful day. Peace. Yeah, the boy is almost out. They catch the first taxi cab heading towards halfway tree for another day at school. See that? Well groomed. Ready. So this is his morning routine. In fact, our morning routine. See, he's over here. Open his bag. Ensure that everything is in his bag. Alright, double check it.
Do you know money now?
As usual, like, share, and subscribe.